Hello friends, today we are going to see how to connect DOL starter control wiring with that DOL starter schematic control diagram. Here what is the material required I have given here: on off push buttons, contactor, overload relay and on off trip indication lamps. Let's start the connection. Here I mentioned the top and bottom, phase and neutral. This 2 points coming from control MCB or control fuse. Let's start the connection with that control drawing, schematic drawing. First of all, we need to give tripping circuit. We need to add tripping circuit. First I give the connection. Let's start the connection. First I start the connection with from phase to that tripping overload relay 95. Because of that, if any fault occurred, that relay going to trip that NC come to NO, so that tripping circuit protect the all over equipment. And then that second point of 96 is directly going to the off push button, first terminal number 1. Then the second terminal of off push button is directly going to the on push button, terminal number 1. Then the second terminal of on push button is directly going to the control conductor coil supply A1. See, I given the connection to A1. Now then I will going to connect the hold on contact. That means the contactor auxiliary contact. I given here that NO 13 means that auxiliary contact of the conductor first terminal. Then the second terminal of going to the first terminal of the push button. That means this push button on push button parallel with that contact auxiliary contact NO. Then I going to connect indication lamp, off indication lamp, that auxiliary contact NC. It's series with auxiliary contact NC. I took the connection from that same phase. I difference make a difference for color code using difference color code for your better understanding. Then the phase going to on loop. Then the next terminal of that auxiliary contact NO is going to on indication lamp. On indication lamp is red color. Then only one indication lamp is pending, trip indication. That same trip overload relay, a small loop here, 95 to 97. Then the trip indication lamp, that another terminal of NO, that going to trip indication lamp. Then we need to give neutral for all indication lamp. We make a loop to loop all indication lamp and direct connect with that neutral point. First trip indication lamp, then on indication lamp, and then off indication lamp. That same neutral also will going to that conductor coil supply A2. That means we already given phase 2 on push button. Then the neutral is required. We are given the neutral to the conductor coil terminal A2. Now the connections, all connections are finished. If you like my videos, to share your friends. Thank you for watching.